Today we're learning how to multiply mixed numbers. These are the steps in multiplying mixed numbers. 1. Change mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2. Multiply the numerators. 3. Multiply the denominators. And 4. Simplify or reduce the fractions. Here are the 6 examples. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Question number 1. 2 1/2 times 2 3/4. Step 1 is to change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So first, let's change 2 1/2 into improper fraction. We need to multiply 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 plus 1, we have 5. So 2 1/2 is the same thing as 5/2. Now for the second mixed number, 2 3/4, we multiply 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have 11/4. Next, we will multiply the numerators 5 and 11, that's 55. And we also multiply denominators 2 and 4, that is 8. Now we will convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. How many 8s can go into 55? 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48, and subtracting 48 from 55, there is a remainder of 7. So we will write the remainder as 7/8. To check if this is right, 8 times 6 is 48, 48 plus 7 is 55. So 6 and 7/8 is the simplest mixed number. Question number 2. 4 4/5 times 4 1/6. Step 1 is to change this into improper fractions. Let's begin with 4 4/5. We multiply first 5 times 4, that's 20. 20 plus the 4, we have 24. So this is 24/5. For the second mixed number, 4 1/6, we multiply 6 times 4, that's 24. 24 plus 1, we have 25. So this is 25/6. For this problem, we will do the shortcut. We can divide 24 divided by 6, and that is 4/1. We can also divide 25 by 5, and that is 5/1 as well. So now all we need to do is multiply 4 and 5, that's 20, and multiply 1 and 1, which is 1. And of course, 20/1 is 20. Question number 3. 3 1/4 times 3 5/9. Step 1 is to change them into improper fractions. Let's begin with 3 1/4. Multiply 4 times 3, that's 12. 12 plus 1, we have 13. So that is 13/4. Now for the mixed number 3 5/9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 5 is 32. So this is 32/9. Simplifying these fractions, we can divide 32 divided by 4, and that is 8/1. So now we multiply the numbers 13 and 8, and that is 104. We multiply 1 and 9, that is 9. Now let's convert this into mixed number. How many 9s can go into 104? 11 times. 11 times 9 is 99. And if we subtract 99 from 104, there is a remainder of 5. And we will write the remainder as 5 denominator 9. So the answer for number 3 is 11 5/9. Question number 4. 1 1/2 times 2 9/10. Step 1 is to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Let's begin with 1 1/2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 3/2. times, for the second mixed number, 2 and 9/10, we multiply 10 times 2, that's 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. So we have 29 over 10. We can't reduce the fractions, so we need to multiply now 3 times 29, and that is 87. Multiplying denominators 2 and 10, that is 20. Now let's change this improper fraction into the mixed number. How many 20s can go into 87? 4 times, right? 4 times 20 is 80, and subtracting 80 from 87, there is a remainder of 7. So we will write the remainder as 7 over denominator 20. So the answer for number 4 is 4 and 7 over 20. Question number 5. 3 and 1/9 times 1 and 1/3. Step 1 is to change both of them into improper fractions. Let's begin with 3 and 1/9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So we have 28 over 9. Next, for the 1 and 1/3, we multiply 3 times 1, that's 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, so we have 4 over 3. We cannot simplify the fractions, so we go ahead multiply the numerators 28 times 4. 28 times 4 is 112. Multiplying denominators 9 and 3, we will have 27. How many 27s do you think can go to 112? 4 times. 4 times 27 is 108. And subtracting 108 from 112, we will have a remainder of 4. So we will write the remainder as 4 over 27. So the answer for number 5 is 4 and 4 over 27. Question number 6. 1 and 7/8 times 3 and 5/6. Step 1 is to change them into improper fractions. Starting with 1 and 7/8, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 is 15, so we have 15 over 8. For the second mixed number, 3 and 5/6, we multiply 6 times 3, that's 18. 18 plus 5 is 23, so we have 23 over 6. We can reduce the fractions 15 over 6 by dividing both of them by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 15 over 6 is the same thing as 5 over 2. Now let's multiply the numerators. 5 times 23 is 115, and 8 times 2 is 16. Now let's change this improper fraction into a mixed number. How many 16s do you think can go to 115? 7 times. 7 times 16 is 112, and subtracting 112 from 115, we have a remainder of 3. So we will write the remainder as 3 over the denominator 16. So the answer for number 6 is 7 and 3/16. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.